Morning guys, this is another grass hole. In fact, we actually stopped at one on the way here and this one's on the way to another one too, so let's have a see what they got. I've asked them to record, they said cool. Wait, a bit of carnival glass. Oh, isn't that cool? Made out of spoons. That's a pot. That's a big pot, isn't it? It's been glued together, I think. There's all stuff in there too, rocks or something.
Oh, that's the counterbalance for it.
It's over going over, yeah. Somebody made their own beer.
Not bad.
So is there stuff in the back shed as well?
Yep.
Yep. Oh yeah, this was sale too. 300 for that. This old Sony digital video recorder thing. We've got enough vintage electronics to last us a lifetime. There was a VHS at the other place too. I'm really only going for the older ones now, or the ones that have got like the DVD and VHSs.
Yeah, that one's different. The video CD.
Oh, what's that? That's different, isn't it? Look at that.
Yeah.
Sony. There's an LG box in there too. And a Panasonic. Somebody had a Panasonic television. Empty. Know what we're doing?
No, it's 570.
Oh, there's stuff on the side here too. Yeah, this would suit Chris more, wouldn't it?
Yeah. But the one out there probably had like building supplies.
Yeah, I saw that.
Probably went there.
That's a big kick-ass compressor. A chainsaw. Need a chainsaw. I don't know what he wants with the chainsaw.
Yeah, you're right. It just gives us plenty of room anyway, so I don't track it on.
Okay, what do you want with the chainsaw?
That's 50. That was at the side?
Yep.
50.
50.
And it's in the goer.
It works?
Yep.
Scoots, buy me the chainsaw. I need one to chop down the trees at my place. Yeah, it's Husqvarna, so it's a good brand. And I'll pay you back on this because this is for me.
What's that? So,
Chainsaw, yeah.
Yeah, we'll slide it on the back.
There you go, Diz. Got your chainsaw. I'm not going to use it. I'll break me, cut my hands open or some shit. Little can of carrot, nothing.
Yeah.
Who says you haven't got a pot to piss in? Huh? That is the definition of a pot to piss in. Now, loose good?
Yep.
There you go.
No worries.
This will help clean up my back garden. Not that I'll be using
As long as you put petrol in.
Yeah, well, that's somebody else's job.
Chairs will squeeze them in the front somehow.
You want to look it up, see if it's worth it? Husqvarna 36 air injector. Wow, 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 wow. I think I locked it actually, the car. No, I didn't. Oh shit. So we bought a heap of books. Kimmy, books. That's the box Scooby put in, so we'll blame him for that. So these Western books, we paid $30 for the 2 boxes. That was a garage sale that was just down there. And we're heading to a garage sale that's down that way. But this one had another one here too. They were worth $30, but he's broken them all now, so. Gavin, you're a prick. Perhaps. Yeah, so $30 then, 50 I just paid for that. All this here was 126. I think we're going to do well out of this stuff anyway. That there's for home because I've got a major issue. And Diz can use that. He's going to look up to see what that Husqvarna. Does it say 30? Yeah, shit. Any salt?
That's the only one listed.
Nah. Shit. Well, I know his Husqvarna's expensive. Alright guys, on to the next thing. Lodger's bait. Hey guys, we're back at the garage sale we just left because we went to another garage sale, which we didn't record because there was nothing there. And the bloke said there was stuff in the house too, which we didn't know. God, that's like my mum. She had so much cutlery when she passed. It was nuts. I wonder if my place is like that too now. See, I still use these egg rings. At home, I've got about a dozen of them. I still use them for my eggs. Mum taught me that. She wants more cutlery. That's nice. That's sold already. Trouble is, this old stuff nobody bloody wants anymore. Oh, they've sold a bit of it. That's good. It's hard to sell some of the bigger stuff sometimes.
The table's not for sale because it's got the security thing on it.
Oh, okay, the monitor and stuff. Yeah, yeah.
I should probably put a sign on.
Well, I went to a garage sale today and it spoke to me. I'm walking out there going, "You are being recorded on camera." As I'm walking out of there from the garage sale. It was funny. Gee, look at that. That's a lot for $150, isn't it? It just goes to show you can get so much. I mean, that would have been well over $1,000 new. Oh, look at the little salt peppers. They're cool. You got change on your steel scoop?
I've got some change in my bag.
Alright, cool. Well, I don't want to give him a $50 note for something that's cheap. That's an old roll top desk. That's pretty good too. Oh, it's locked, isn't it? Must be.
There's a trick to that.
Well, I couldn't work it out.
Graham would have.
That's alright, I don't want to buy it anyway. They're old too. Some little ashtrays. This is from Pyrex here, isn't it? Is that Pyrex? Looks like Pyrex. Not Pyrex. What's the other one? Same sort of thing. Fire King or something. I got the big bowl set up, hey, at my place. Do you want to grab your bag, Scoop, so I can pay for these things? Yep.
Thank you much, Lee.
How much are they?
I don't know.
I don't know either. How much would you like to pay?
Oh, I paid $2 for them and 50 cents each for them. $3 a lot.
$3?
You got that in change, have you? Good. Yeah, I put all my change in the bank the other day. I don't think I've got any change on me other than that 10 I gave before.
Okay. Thank you much, Lee.
Well, we bought a chainsaw from here before and then didn't know it was in the house.
Oh.
So left to go to another grass sale. Then we met a bloke who we saw at this grass sale. He goes, "Didn't you go in the house?" I'm like, "No, I didn't know it was in the house." What do you got in the brass bell?
Never thought about it.
I just got a thing about bells. When I get sick, I annoy my daughter and my missus.
You don't get sick often.
No. Probably likely to get more sick if I ring that bell anyway. For them to come.
Probably another headache.
No, they would. They'll be, yeah, that's right. They'll be doing me in. See? Scored something.
Something.
It's not a lot, I know, man, but it's something. Oh, where are we going now, Scoop? Bribey?
First set. First set.
First, yeah. Oh, fuck, I'd drown now. I think my surfing days have long past. Bodyboard, maybe. There's a look at this old XW coming in. Couple of old Fords, have a look. No beast. Oh, nice Ford. Love it. And I did lock it. I said to Scoobs, "No, it's unlocked." Scooby looked at me like, "You don't know what you're doing." It's not unlocked.
That's why I got money out of it.
You thought you get out and you're like, yeah. It's lucky the fucking thing hasn't fell apart. It's fucking burning cigarette in the ashtray. What is this, Gavin? 1970s? Are you your fucking father? Hey, let me finish the video. I don't know why I picked it up. All right. So that was back of that one. We didn't get much there, but still some cool stuff about. All right, lunches. We're going to Bribey.